A person who never made a mistake, never tried something new. Be bold and courageous. When you look back on life, you'll regret the things you didn't do more than the ones you did. Don't feel sad if someone ignores or rejects you. People usually ignore expensive things because they can't afford them. Everyone that you fight is not your enemy, and everyone who helps you is not your friend. If you don't sacrifice for what you want, then what you want becomes your sacrifice. Life is a journey, not a destination. Make the most of each step along the way. Sometimes it's better to walk alone at night than a fake friend with a light. Never go broke trying to impress broke people. Take a deep breath. It's just a bad day, not a bad life. Never underestimate the power of stupid people. The hardest prison to escape is your mind. The pain you feel today is the strength you will have tomorrow. Never lose your sense of humor. Laughter is the best medicine for the soul. Life is like a camera. Focus on what's important, capture the good times, develop from the negatives, and if things don't work out, take another shot. Listen more than you speak, for wisdom often comes from silence. Kindness is a language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see. It's not the load that breaks, it's the way you carry it. If you want to build a self-confidence, you have to do what you're afraid to do. Don't watch the clock, do what it does. Life doesn't come with a remote. You have to get up and change it to yourself. Pain is like a wound. Someday it will heal and turn into a scar. It won't hurt anymore, but the memories will remain. Success is not measured by wealth but by the impact you have on others. The more you give, the more you receive. The heart that shares is the heart that's full. When you stop chasing the wrong things, the right ones catch up. You can't change the past, but can shape your future by learning from it. To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people just exist. The greatest gift you can give someone is your time, your attention, your love, and your concern. Loving yourself and accepting who you are is the key to happiness. You never know how strong you are until being strong is the only choice you have. Don't wait, say what's on your mind now while the person is still around. The only thing necessary for the triumph of evil is for good men to do nothing. What other people think of you is none of your business. Your character is defined by how you treat those who can do nothing for you. Drink more water and you'll be busy peeing to worry about other people's opinion. If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. Don't be the person who looks back and wonders what could have been. Be the one who takes action and creates the future. The secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. Your value doesn't decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. When you can't win by being better, you can win by being different. We have 2 ears and 1 mouth. So we should listen more than we say. The most valuable currency in your life is time. Spend it wisely. You don't meet people by accident, there's always a reason, a blessing or a lesson. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. The path to wisdom is paved with humility. You are the author of your life. Every day is a new page. Every word is a choice. The key to happiness is not in seeking more but in appreciating what you have. It's better to be hated for who you are than liked for who you're not. Women will start seeking you if you do 2 things: be optimistic about life and pay attention to your personal development. Don't chase relationships, instead focus on your growth, values and cultivating kindness. The right person will find there to you at the perfect moment without the need for chasing.